Welcome to the Hobson Meadows Family Medicine Telemedicine Instructional video. Please follow these simple steps and if possible, check out your device ahead of time to ensure a quality session at the time of your appointment. To start, please open your browser and navigate to hmfm.org. Once there, you'll see the Hobson Meadows Family Medicine homepage. The second box down on the right-hand side of our webpage is our Telemedicine Video Visit button. This button will highlight yellow when you hover your mouse over it, as shown here. Please click on the Telemedicine Video Visit button. It will take you into our telemedicine page. On the right-hand side of this page, you will see a list of providers. These buttons will highlight as you hover over them. For example, Dr. Robert Rosner, Physician's Assistant John Paul Daler, Nurse Practitioner Amy Reeb. Please click on the provider with whom your appointment is scheduled. In this example, we will click on John Paul Daler. In the welcome window, please type in your name and click on Check In. Once you are in the waiting room, you will see some tips to ensure a great televisit. Please make sure you have a strong internet connection, you have closed your other programs, and you are using the latest version of your browser. If you have any technical issues prior to your scheduled appointment, please contact support@doxy.me. In the lower left-hand corner, you will see an option to perform a pre-call test. The software will walk you through a series of system checks to make sure all your necessary components are working. Now you're ready for your visit. On the day and time of your actual call, once you've logged in, please remain in the virtual waiting room until your provider initiates your visit. Thank you for using Hobson Meadows Family Medicine Telemedicine.